Art is a fascinating phenomenon, primarily any aspect of art that's reflective, because art is really an optical illusion, because you have to transpose three-dimensional reality on a two-dimensional surface to give that three-dimensional illusional perspective. And me personally, I feel like one of the biggest, I've been doing art for like like 2 months or so. One of the biggest challenge for me with art is actually reflective objects, any tangible reflective concepts or object to illustrate on a two-dimensional surface is really a challenging phenomenon. Things like glass, plate, and most importantly, water, or eye drops. Anything that's transparent, anything that's translucent, because